So, good morning, everybody. We have critical fire conditions in the southeast today with a red flag warning and fire danger statements in most of the forecast area. As the cold front pushes to the south, a little bit of rain will not make a difference with the fire concerns today, with wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour after the cold front passes. So, be mindful with the burning today. Here's your overall 7-day outlook today. Highs in the 60s and 70s, lows tonight in the 40s to 60s, depending where you're at. Tomorrow, warmer and sunny, highs in the 70 to near 80, lows in the 40s. And Tuesday, sunny, sunny, sunny through Friday. And warming up each day here. Worsening drought conditions continue, right? We get towards Friday, highs near 90 in the southern part of the forecast area, and maybe some rain on Saturday. Here's your high temperatures forecast for today, maximum wind gusts, and minimum relative humidity values. So today you'll be in the 60s and 70s, like we talked about. Wind gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour, depending where you're at. Higher amounts up in the Georgia mountains. Relative humidity, or so 20%, excuse me, which is very low, and it'll be very dry today. You'll feel it out there. All right, so not typical summer-like weather here, very dry. Tonight, lows in the 40s, like we talked about. Tomorrow, high temperatures in the 70s, no precip expected. Winds will still be 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts, with the relative humidity values approaching 20% here in central Georgia. So very, very dry. It'll feel nice outside, but it's drying out the soil like crazy. On to Tuesday here. We got high temperatures in the 70s to near 80. No precip expected. Relative humidity values still in the 20% range, which is quite dry. Low temperatures Tuesday night in the 50s or so. Upper 40s in the northwest Georgia, northeast Georgia here. Wednesday, highs in the near 80 to mid 80s in the far southern reaches of the forecast area. Still very dry, relative humidity values in 20%. No precip expected. Wednesday night, 50s, depending where you're at. And Thursday, rinse and repeat, kind of a boring forecast. 80s to near 90 in far southeast Georgia, no precip. Still very dry, relative humidity in the 20% range. Thursday night, same thing, 50s and 60s, heat island effect in the Atlanta area. High temperatures Friday. Man, I'll tell you, 80s, right? Very boring forecast, near 90 in southeast Georgia. Humidities are rising slightly here, but still very dry, and maybe a slight chance of precip way in the northwest Georgia here. This is Friday night. Low temperatures Friday night, near 60 degrees for most of the forecast area. High temperature Saturday. We got an increased chance of precip here also, so 80s. 50% chance of rain. So a welcome change here with the relative humidities rising some in 40% range. And then as we get to Saturday night, this is Saturday night, forecast to be 50s to near 60s for lows. So I appreciate y'all watching. I decided to put this forecast in a long form video today. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Appreciate it. Have a good Sunday. God bless y'all.